This was the second time that the government failed in its efforts to get witness statements, documents and other evidence in possession of the ICC with regard to the post-election violence. The pre-trial chamber says because witnesses and victims had either been threatened or actually physically harmed, and with reported incidents where confidential information about the ICC prosecutor's witnesses had been leaked, they cannot grant Kenya's request for the release of the documents. Meanwhile, the defense team of Uhuru Kenyatta wants the court to order the ICC prosecutor to confirm the identities of 3 of their confidential witnesses identified only as OTP4, OTP11 and OTP12. Uhuru argues that they want to investigate the credibility of witness 11 and 12 because they had initially offered to testify for the defense before crossing over to the prosecution. He also argues that prosecution witness number 4 had given contradicting evidence against him. The Uhuru team also wants to be allowed to reveal the identities of these 3 witnesses during their investigations. In Nairobi, a section of the civil society urged the government to stop wasting public funds.
I think it's a waste of money and time. The process has started. Dates have been set. Iendelee. We're the ones who chose it as Kenyans. Why are we wobbling now?
At this point in time, Kenya government is not party to the ICC proceedings. Let me make that clear. There are only 2 parties to the proceedings going on at the ICC, and is that the prosecutor and the 4 accused.
Githongo says the ICC process has sent a powerful domestic effect by challenging impunity of the elite and the mighty in Kenya.
ICC cannot be bribed. It can't be intimidated or killed. And that's the first time that kind of institution has ever confronted our elite. So that has shaken our local politics.
The Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions is yet to form a special police unit to investigate and prosecute foot soldiers who fueled the mayhem. Amimo for KTN.